Looking for a fast and convenient platform to sell your car? Have you heard about muvbid? With muvbid, selling your car is so easy. Here's how. All you have to do is take photos of your car and just upload it for listing. Then, book your appointment to get your car MUV verified at our MUV hub. With muvbid, you get to set the asking price for your car. Your car will be listed for bidding on muvbid for 7 days. Then, all you gotta do is wait for the bids to come in. Oh wow, so many bids! Alternatively, you can also set a buy it now price where buyers can instantly purchase your car. Once you've gotten a bid that you're happy with, just confirm the bidding. The final step is to then surrender your car to us. And did we mention that we will help you with all the necessary ownership transfer paperwork? With MUV, it's now so easy to sell your car.